What if your to-do list could read your meeting notes, update itself automatically, and help you draft emails about your tasks, all without you lifting a finger? Everyone's building better task apps. We just made the task app disappear into your actual work. Let me show you how.
When you visit CharmIQ homepage, click on Do More Than Dream page. From the gallery, you'll find the Daily Task app. Now, here's the first thing you need to know, and this is crucial. You need to make your own copy for it to work properly. I'll click the copy button and customize the header with my name so I know it's mine. The interface is beautifully simple. Add tasks, check them off, remove what you don't need. I can clear out these default tasks and add my real work. Create a tutorial for the Daily Task app, or draft the July newsletter.
Now, because this is a CharmIQ workspace, I can edit absolutely anything I want. The instructions, the headers, the layout. So I'm going to clean up this workspace by removing the instructions since I don't need them anymore. This gives me a clean, focused environment. This is where it gets super exciting. Remember one of the most powerful features of our platform? Everything can serve as context or reference materials.
So I'm bringing in meeting minutes from a previous session. This contains several action items that I need to add to my daily tasks. Now, I could take the traditional approach, call up my all-purpose charm, ask him to summarize the meeting minutes, then manually fill in my task app. That would work fine.
But here's the smarter way. I'm importing our application assistant charm. This AI agent is built to read your reference materials, anything you bring in as context, understand how to modify your applications, need updates, new features, he handles that. Execute commands directly. Instead of you doing manual work, it does the heavy lifting.
Now here's the key thing. All requests to the application assistant must be made in the comments section. This is crucial. So I'll ask him to update the daily task with items from the reference material and call him. This normally takes a little time as the AI processes everything. Perfect time to grab a coffee, check your emails, or contemplate the meaning of life. Actually, scratch that. This thing works so fast you won't even have time to open your coffee app. But here's how you know he's done. You'll see a platform command button appear. That's your signal that our digital assistant has prepared the action.
I'll click the arrow and he'll execute the command. Look at that! One click and all the tasks from my meeting minutes are now in my daily task list. The charm read through the meeting notes, extracted the action items, and populated my app automatically. But wait, there's more. I'm going to ask our dude to change this background color. I'm not feeling this white. Why? Because when you have this kind of power, why wouldn't you? Did you see that? Did you see that? It's the magic. You can ask the dude to do anything you want with the app, like add dates or whatever on your mind. Let's try one more time. I want to remove the last 3 tasks. I'll go back and ask him. There's the platform command button again. One more click and done. Super easy. This is the difference between AI that helps you work and AI that actually does the work for you. Pretty cool, right? But here's where things get really interesting. Everything in CharmIQ can serve as reference material, and I mean everything. Watch this. I'm going to use this entire workspace, including the task app, as reference material for something else. I'll create a new workspace, add the task app as the context and the reference material. Next, I'll ask my all-purpose charm to draft an email to my colleague about my daily tasks. Perfect! A professional email summarizing my daily tasks, generated instantly from the live application data. It's like having a workflow that thinks 3 steps ahead of you. This is what I mean by intelligent workflow. Your apps aren't just tools anymore. They're connected, context-aware partners that understand your work and help you move faster. Traditional productivity apps make you adapt to them. This makes the app adapt to you, your data, and your actual workflow. Ready to stop fighting with your tools and start working with them? Try CharmIQ and see what happens when your applications actually understand what you're trying to accomplish.